Hello everyone and happy Wednesday. Today is 14th of January and we are starting to pack. It's a little bittersweet, I'm not gonna lie. We've been living in this flat for over 2.5 years now, and I've loved every minute of it. Like, this flat has become my home, made it up. Like, as you can tell, like, this is all of our furniture. I did the walls over there, I put the pictures up on the walls, like, I painted this dresser, like, everything has kind of been done over the past 2.5 years, and it's gonna be weird, like, not living here anymore, but we are moving to something better. As you guys know, it has always been my dream to buy a flat here in London, and so even though we're moving away from this beautiful apartment, I am excited for this next homeowner chapter in my life. As it currently stands on the 13th of January, we are not completely sure where we're moving into because there might be a little gap between when we have to move out of this flat and when our lease is up and when we're moving into the new flat. So still undecided. I'll probably find out over the next couple of days what our plans are and how ready the flat is for us to move in. But I cannot wait to show you guys the new place because it is the flat of my dreams and I'm so happy. But yeah, today is the first day of moving. We move out in 10 days. So I'm starting this move quite early because, one, we have a big flat and we've lived here for 2.5 years. So I think we need that time to kind of go through everything, you know, sell the things we don't want to bring into the new house. But also, I have a full-time job now, which is running Pastel. Speaking of Pastel, it's Maddie from the future here. And I just wanted to let you know that we just dropped our new large sets. This used to be our biggest size packing cube, and now we have this. It is built for checked-in bags and bigger items like coats, jeans, jumpers, sweaters, all of that. Check it out and let's get back to the video. So I'm gonna be moving kind of on the weekends and after work. So technically I only have a couple of days to do this packing in between working at the office, but let's begin. Most of the stuff that I have no need for in the next 10 days. So I think it's time we do the saddest change of all. Start taking down my renter-friendly changes, aka this wallpaper. This is all renter-friendly wallpaper that I put up like 2 years ago. Is it weird that I'm not scared for this? Shelves as well. Oh, this is hurting so much. It took me so long. I hate doing this. There goes nothing. Today I am starting packing down my closet. I need to pack down the clothes that I think I'm not gonna wear over the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then keep the clothes or set aside the clothes that I think I will be wearing for the next 3 weeks. I don't know how long it will be. It's kind of weird, but Theo's already done a really good job packing up his closet and his part of the drawers. I need to pack down my wardrobe and my wardrobe here, and my drawers. Where do we start? It's like a workout, honestly. Also, side note, can we talk about how stressful it is to move? Not just like the packing and the stressing about moving, but like seeing your flat look like this every single day for 7 to 10 days is, maybe it's just me, but it's not good for my mind, I feel. Like I get so exhausted from seeing mess like this because I know I have to deal with it. Like, look at me, like I'm clearly not well. But I have to sort this out. Because you need to pack everything down. Welcome back to day 2 of packing. Our living room is in a state because we have to take everything out of the cupboards, off the walls, and just kind of pack it into boxes. So it's gonna get worse before it gets better, but Theo is here today to help out because there's just so much like stuff that you collect over the years that just ends up in cupboards and drawers and you know, shelves. So yeah, it's chaos, but let's begin packing. It's the day before the movers arrive. Am I wearing the same thing every day? Yes, I am, because all my clothes are either packed into boxes or packed into my suitcase for the next couple of days where we're going to be living out of hotels and maybe Airbnbs, so don't judge. It is what it is. I'm going to start by sorting through all my toiletries that I don't need, like on an everyday basis. It's moving time. The movers gave me a ETA of 25 minutes from now. So I'm going to start packing all these boxes and putting them into the hallway so they can really easily like start carrying everything down. Bring boxes down from upstairs down to the living room. There's a lot of boxes, to be honest. This is the current state of our living room. I think I counted 30 boxes here and upstairs in total. This is the state of the bedroom, hallway, and bathroom. Actually, everything looks very similar here because the cupboards are all empty, but whatever we're bringing with us is in these little sections. Throw away, bringing with us, bringing with us. There's a lot. Does it make sense that we spent like 10 days packing all this up now? Jesus, it took a while. Starting to clear out. Bye. Cheers. Tired. This has been 2 weeks, well, nearly 2 weeks of like packing, stressing, moving stuff, just like walking everywhere, selling off items. Like, it's been a lot, but we are successfully almost moved out. We just have this that we're selling off tomorrow. That's it. Yay.